Just wanted to show another project that we got going on here. This is my brother's 66 Malibu. The car was a drag car. It still has a lot of remnants from the drag racing days. They beat the fender wells out and made it bigger for larger tires, and then they brazed it, and it's a big mess. So we got new quarter panels and new fender wells. We're gonna try to repair all this damage that they did. I'm not going to show any how-to video on this, but basically we're going to try to keep all these factory edges. We're not going to replace them all the way up to the lead seam. It's more than what we want to deal with. We're going to keep all these factory edges and cut it like an inch down below the edge, and then we'll cut out and see what we need to do with the actual fender wells. But it's a big project, but it's a very cool car once it gets it done. So we worked on it this evening and we got the quarter panel put in. We had to work on both inner fender wells. Quarter panel still got to be welded in all the way around, but we got it just tacked in right now. But it looks tremendously better. See the difference? You still got to do the inside of the trunk. It's a big mess.